And we're back, and this time we'll look at the basics of the pen tool. Have a new artboard created, 800x800 RGB color, and click on create. Press Ctrl 0 to center the artboard. Now select the pen tool. Don't worry about the other tools here, we will only focus on the basics of the pen tool in this video. You can adjust the stroke and the fill color here. Let's have a black fill color and no stroke selected. Press escape and now make a left click on your artboard, another one, and we have a triangle, but we need to close it to have the path closed. Now we can select the triangle. We can even change its color and we can give it a stroke. Increase the size. But you can also draw rounded paths with the pen tool. Select it once again, make the stroke black, decrease the size a little bit, and have no fill color selected. Now make a left click on the artboard, make another left click, and then a third one. And now we click and hold our left mouse button and then drag. And this creates this curvature. We need to obviously close this path as well. And now we can select it, but obviously you can't click in the middle of it as it has no fill. You have to click on the path to move it around. If you now activate the direct selection tool, you can see all of the anchor points and most importantly the anchor points of the curvature. Let's click on this anchor point and you can select the single one and move it around and thus transform the path. But if you click on an anchor point in a curvature, you see these handles and they can be used to adjust the curvature. You need to play a bit around with it to get a feeling for it. It's harder to explain than it actually is to use the handles. But even after transforming, you can obviously move it around. Let's just open a new file and draw a very basic illustration. Have the rectangle tool activated. Make sure our fill color is brown. And we have no stroke selected. Now drag a rectangle of a random size. Click somewhere to deselect it with your selection tool activated. Then click on the pen tool. Have no stroke activated and a green fill color. And now we will left click on some points on our artboard. These smart guiding lines, they help you close the path, and we can now select both objects at the same time and then move it around. Let's just only select the green part, have the direct selection tool selected, then click on a single anchor point and now we can transform it. You can still move it around, but you have to click on a single anchor point to transform what you've drawn. Make it bigger, like so. And this would be a simple tree drawn with the pen tool. Try to recreate it, don't worry about the proportions or something. It's just to get to know the pen tool. Let's draw another one, have the rectangle tool activated, make the fill color brown, and draw a rectangle of a random size. Deselect everything, then have the pen tool activated, make the fill color green, still no stroke, and we'll draw again, but this time we not only click, but we click and hold and then drag to create these curves. As you can see, the curvature can be released if you click on the previous anchor point. So here we go back to the first anchor point and now we have a straight line again. Once again, click on the previous anchor point and now we can work with a straight line. Close the path. You can select both things once again, move it around, but let's only select the green form, have the direct selection to activate it, and now we can adjust the anchor points. Click on a single anchor point and you can then move that around and transform it. And you have these handles. If you want to adjust the curvature a little bit, you can use them. Use this example once again to just get a feel for it. You can even click on a path section and drag the path around. And these are the basics of the pen tool. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.